No, I can see every pimple on your face. Does that bother you? Does that bother you? Does it bother you? Does it bother you?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah. Anyway.
How's that look coming at you? Wow.
No, it looks really
like blackness? I mean...
You're like Alicia now. Alicia.
Fuck off, Bill. That's all I can say. The pressure!
Oh, big eyes. Looks like a lot like the cat thing, you know.
I don't need to be subjected to this kind of criticism, okay?
No, that's true, but, you know...
I think we need to play another game.
Of what? Let's doodle about us. Do, you know,
okay.
Move around a little, make some news.
Oh. This one I think you can play individually, right? Like you don't need to... I can't get home. No, I'll just have Mom or... Actually, Dad can bring me home. When... Rob, I hope you're not really upset.
Rob, how did you feel when you blew out Christy's tire?
Actually, I felt good. I'm gonna tell you the truth right now. Chrissy's been pissing me off. I veered into the fucking curb. I did.
Did you do that? But do you feel the same way now after having done it?
I feel great.
Yeah.
The rush.
Vengeance is mine.
Do you have like some kind of animosity here? Are we talking? Or
No, it's I just like to destroy people's property. And it's nothing personal, really.
Yeah.
It's not mine, so I don't care.
You could do that. So you could do that to anybody's property, you feel?
Yeah. Basically, let me see the camcorder, Bill.
No. No. Okay, I gotta go.
This is like real life.
So how do you feel about having Rob, the damage that Rob has done?
I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off. Yes.
Well, let's hear it.
What? I just did.
About what? I mean,
I no longer want him as my brother-in-law.
It was an accident.
I don't fucking care.
The man,
it's my car. I entrusted my own personal property to him. What does he do? He comes back and destroys it.
It was a
what
mistake.
am I supposed to think?
Everybody makes mistakes.
Oh, fuck mistakes. I made mistakes too, but not on the level of $100. I don't make $100 mistakes. Okay?
Oh, yeah,
I make a mistake, and then I apologize for it. I don't act like I'm some kind of godlike figure who can just go around fucking up people's property.
I'm not doing anything on this. Okay.
I have something
How do you
to say.
really feel about this?
Oh, I'm pissed.
Oh.
I fucking hate him.
I have something to say here, Bill.
Okay, wait. Let me get off of this bitch.
I was supposed to say that Christy was saying that she doesn't make $100 mistakes. Well.
I remember a $300 mistake she made.
No. I make thousands of dollars mistakes every Friday. I'm the accountant in common.
Bill.
No, wait. No, don't turn off Nico. I'm supposed to say here, man. You know what else I did?
Yeah. No, tell us.
I
Tell us
bought
all.
my own car tire, actually, tonight. And it felt really strange. I don't know what to do about it. I'm going to kill myself.
Oh. Thanks,
Okay, well, she's dead.
Bye, Alicia.
Rob, you had something else to add to it?
Oh, it's smooth right now, I guess.
Oh, after that, I suppose, yeah. You're gonna kill yourself. Actually, I'm not mad at all. I don't care. I really don't.
The insurance won't cover this. I already asked. I said, Marv, hey, we're friends, right? We're friends, Marv. How you doing, Invited?
Well, it wouldn't pay out with the deductible. I wouldn't pay. I mean, that's like more than the entire cost.
It would if your rhythm was involved.
Oh, yeah. If you're the dash, you have to roll the dice to figure out which word you're going to use. I forgot that part.
Dad, please turn that off. It's becoming irritating. I don't like it.
Zoomed in on it.
Time to turn it off. Bill. Sydney with eye shit?
Usually I eat it.
He sometimes does. God, he farted, didn't he?
Eating
I
it?
can't smell it.
Yes,
I smell fucking...
Let go.
I smell
Bill,
sickness.
the cameraman is doing that.
Oh, God.
Dad, did you fart a sickness? I've had it.
Oh. Cheryl.
Are you rotting inside?
What's that?
Okay, here we go. Makadoo.
Thing.
About leaving?
Yeah.
Go to where?
You're going home, right?
Yes,
How do you feel about that?
To go home?
Yeah?
Fine.
Okay. That's it.
I mean, do you have any preference of where you would go?
Good night.
Bring the car by tomorrow with the new tire.
I was thinking because of Mom and Dad. Yeah, that was really far, I know.
Yeah.
Or, you know, that's kind of far away.
Okay.
It is very far. It's like 20.
Love you.
We want me to park the car by.
I'm just doing because I mean, look at how long it takes for you guys to get to Nebraska.
Yeah, 12 hours.
12 hours there. We're talking maybe even more than that.
Yeah.
It's a long drive.
Bill.
Off is on.
Quit it.
So Bill.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
It's in the garage, isn't it?
Yeah.
Toilet's in the garage.
Oh, yeah.
Up on top of your.
Mr. Chris, do that again. Just push my chair forward so that I can slop.
Okay, let's tape that. Okay, wait.
I've always heard Galveston is very pretty.
Galveston. Texas.
Galveston, Galveston.
I don't know
Come
that
on down to Galveston.
You know, I'm
You
really
like it
afraid
there.
of
Yeah,
moving
it's good.
anywhere
But,
down here.
bring your wife, we'll dick her.
That seems to be the
Oh,
attitude
no,
of
that's a
fucking
different.
There's nothing
America
to do
with
to
this
repair. Come on.
white supremacist shit going
Fix
on.
your
with all these
fucking
people.
arm.
Remember that one town that they interviewed in Texas where they were saying, well, we don't want any black people in our neighborhood and all this and that.
That's El Paso.
And we're talking major racial
It is.
tension.
It's sick. It is.
Yeah,
I mean,
I don't want to.
white Texans are the biggest
Where we're
assholes in the
going.
world.
No, we're going. But what's Las Cruces like?
It's a
Is
very.
it like that too?
It's a melting pot.
How about Longview? Right by
45 minutes away, it's completely different? What?
There's Irish Catholic. There's
Yeah, lots of Norwegians there.
Turn that fucking thing off, Bill.